Okay, sorry. I'm back. So this is Lily Vang. I'm going to re-summarize everything that's going on if you guys have not watched the video yet. And so what we're going to do is we're going to play a couple clips. We're going to play a couple clips from his stupid YouTube videos so you guys know what's going on.
Nên mua cho lòng cho nó xài xứ. Okay?
I don't know if you guys can even hear it.
Chứ tiêu chí cho chậu xa chậu chung cho nó xài xứ. Nên cái chỉ bao giờ nữa thì chỉ bao giờ cái xài miệng môn chúa cho hết chi nè. Xài dùng câu này hết chi nè. Nên bộ gà sơ rồi thì miệng môn chúa nó nè. Xài dùng câu này hết chi nè. Đau rau nó dùng kế nó cho xài nó nè. Vì trái nó dùng kế. Họ này ở cái này người ta nên mua thầu cơ chống cầu từ lên tới một sảnh nhỏ nên mua từ tí chỉ dùng cầu tí chỉ nhỏ là qua từ sai ngôn chúa từ nẻ ngôn chúa xong nữa nè nên mua để dành khi ý nè nên cũng bao để đi chả giờ này từ nên mua họ mua dùng thế này rất sai á thế nên bao lò đủ hay để bé sai nẻ ngôn chúa sai dùng cầu nên bao lò đủ nó thế nên sai được cái ta đi đó nên mua tụi trò cho nó dinh nhở tụi tết kinh trò nhở chắc ăn đừng giống loài nó nhở cho nó dinh khi nè.
Okay, so that's basically the issue that I'm addressing here. So what happened is that Chen Vang, he's a fallen movie star in the Hmong community, or if he ever made it up there, he's upset for the fact that but then it's just go by law on a cover photo for this video and Shelly, yeah, which I'm sure did not get permission from us. Okay, so you didn't just by ojong go Shelly kahema, but you need to by hailu pay the hailu chijong taku. And so I just wanted to respond by saying that, you know, everybody has their preference. But why are you going to and let's go all the way back to when Long King was still there. Like I said earlier, why? Vì đó có hai tia sa tao tua nếu mua la lì chữ gì sa tao tua nó hai tao lục mông thiên đừng thổ tao bé mông lì chữ gì có em nó một cho là giá tấn đấy sẽ bé chơi xong cho là giá tấn đấy lo bé giờ tuấn sai lô na bé luôn bé mông bé giờ lùi lì chữ tô mông ạ. Okay, so this is why bố thầu u lo bé mua cho cái si từng thành công chúa. Yes, quý anh chỉ đi mua mà quý anh bỏ hai tia luôn lừa hai neng là chọn thành công chúa rong con bỏ lý cha. Okay, cố yên bỏ cơ hay tia lợi chân thành con chúa rong có chấp lợi lý nè. But then chân thành con chúa ủi lo lừa hai nên số Thái Cao Lì là chỉ mỗi ít tuổi有tuần đại ý sinh liệt là một bữa rồi bây giờ mong được chọn nhẹ chỉ bữa tàu ít tuổi sau thế ít hơn nữa rồi bây giờ mong chấm nhận mong được chọn nhẹ hay tia. You know what, cứ tao bán này vì nó khó nên chọn nhẹ bộ môn mà. You know, so I think it's just ridiculous. What is going on? What is going on in this community? But let's go ahead, listen to what he got to say.
Nè bùn cái gì? Lo giờ nên mua được rất hay lưu rồi. Rất tên muốn chúa tên chỉ hành xài trong câu nó, cũng khi bao xài mà dùng về nó. Trong câu này mà bao xài gì chả?
I'm just skipping through the documents.
Nè bao xài gì chả? Nè tôi nói để dùng. Nè không dùng được thẳng à? Thế là nè bộ bao. Chỉ riêng việc xe dùng câu chỉ nhập họ dùng câu nữa nè. Thế thì xài dùng câu. Nè bộ cái gì? Bộ tôi muốn thấy nó này đi. Cũng sao để tên này sao để chúng hay cái này là chúng mình sẽ hay cái này.
Okay. So my year, when I went in there, here's my thing. I looked at the application and then it says, sign thành công chưa? Okay, none of it says sign thành công. And if it did, if the application said, hey, you know, bên này tên sai có share thì có nhiều chủ yêu một nó thì nhiều chủ share một nó li lời cho lời hay nên mà. Okay, I get it, you know, but then we're Hmong, we're not Thai, we're not Cao Lì na. And so for the Chen Vang to say to people that cho nên cho judge nó ít cho đùa hang chỉ nhau một rổ bố cá na. Have you ever thought that maybe there's a reason why có Chen Vang cho từ rổ bố cá why ở bây giờ cho nhau buồn nó? Have you thought about that? Like because cô boy thì cô lú mày is so like cô lú thì cô cho cái啥nâng cái thì chỉ lo của tụi mình thì tê ra. Like come on man, cái gì thì chỉ nên cái yêu mong ba ha, cái chỉ có hai lú cái chính chính mà. Như mình đi chơi cái chỉ muốn lú cho cái thì nó địa hậu ấy cái họ tôi chỉ nên tôi thuần nên nhất là YouTube nó mà. I get it, you know, hai tia. Cái chị khó cứ yên tên đó cái chị khó hay tiền giờ bị đi cha cho xong cô họ chỉ tao chạy lúc mình muốn xem con trâu. Well, you know what? Then I'm sorry. I say this to all my girls that cứ cho là bài sing con trâu. You're beautiful, but if you can't speak Hmong, you're not gonna win, and it is what it is. You gotta accept that. And you know, you gotta learn how to speak Hmong. Okay? That's my response to Brother Chen Vang. If you want your girls to win, then you better go and teach them some Hmong. Because even though this ugly girl ugly, I love Hmong people, okay? And I speak it, and I'm all about being Hmong. And I'm not ashamed of it. So there are people in our community, especially young girls, a lot really good to king. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna repeat it again. One of the girls during my term that were really good to king na ma bully about their size to the point where 2 days later, I found out that a girl that was just talking to me about her size committed suicide. Okay? Because there are people really to Chen Vang na. And Chen Vang, why do you think that why do you think you have the rights to to judge na? Because you did 1 or 2 movies, and then to judge. Come on, man. Credibility. To judge for your pageant. I think I have more credibility than you yourself did. Because I've established a charity project for Hmong community. I have not seen you do one single thing ever since your movies that you disappeared for so many years now. So don't come and tell me that I don't deserve the title. Because you know, just say you don't go. And so don't come around telling me that because so that's like you know. So if you guys want to stop the negativity in our community, stop or beat your girls or ping on and commit suicide. Teenage girls who commit suicide because of people like this who damn rights tell them every single day, and they look in the mirror and they feel bad about themselves because they become weak to somebody like this, like your opinion. Or to beat your girls, commit suicide na. If you guys want to start a movement and to do something about it, don't just go yell at him. Don't go yell at him. Don't even waste time yelling at him. Go and report his YouTube. Go to his YouTube and report it. Report all his videos. Video khỏi cho video cha. Nếu cho your video nó cho một cho YouTube á, còn nên cái chống sai á, còn nên em muốn like every view it gives him like money. So go report his YouTube. He's making a living off of doing this. And so what rights does he have to tell, you know, a girl that, oh, cái gì mà có đứa chị chỉ nhận gì sao thiệt? Come on, man. Yeah, they cái hay cho cái rung rung xin I'm gonna say like, if I was a jerk like you, I would have said, oh, nếu Chen Vang nó tôi chỉ nói rung đầu kia nếu bỏ thay hết có lý hết số là giờ phải à. Rung đầu xin à, share xin à. Cha chẳng mỗi từ nè, lúc có những này nó cho lắm ô phải à. How do you feel? Like, do you not understand where most people are? Like, you just gotta accept it. It's like cyberbullying. Come on. Yeah, nên lên từ một nửa movie này chị, I encourage you to just throw it away because I do not want my kids to be watching ít tuổi nên or ship movies at all. Okay. Throw every single one of them away because guess what, guys? If he ever said anything that hurts your child, you're going to understand. And Chen Vang, có chuyện nhiều ổn nên tế rồi là giả tổn tế đó, okay? Because one day when somebody says something degrading like that to your kids, cái nhiều so I don't know what's going on with this man. He clearly has issues, and I still encourage every single one of you girls out there that hai tiếng này sao phải sinh con chua cả chỉ một kia sao ý là only Chen Vang các bạn nên chỉ mới cả sau đấy chứ mà đấy chỉ một bình sau nên chỉ một đâu nên đại video he blurred it out because you know why video có hai tiếng nên chỉ nên giờ nên hai lu rồi ý là đi chừng ấy chạy từ bên những cái sai hết là like lower than that. And I mean like they cho okay I'm not even gonna say bây giờ bên này okay bây giờ bên này chẳng hay chuyện chính rồi. He's just somebody trying to pick a fight, trying to get views to, you know, benefit off of YouTube. And so it's so funny because he played in other video again, and he starts yelling, but come on, guys. It's so ridiculous. And oh, thank you. Yeah, I gotta get some ice cream because I'm fat, so gotta get some ice cream, cool myself down. But, you know, do what you guys think is right. Yeah, then it's idea, up to you guys. You guys can unfriend me if you guys feel that it's the truth. But, you know, yeah, then support, yeah, it's something stupid and should not be going on. Go and report his YouTube. And heck yeah, report it for like, you know, hurting other people. So, yeah. I just think that it's totally ridiculous. And if you guys got something to say, type down invite me and I'll invite you onto this chat. And I'm going to invite you and put you on here. And just write down invite me. And you got 1 minute to say what you think. But yeah, it's couple of kushada video. No, I'm just like, wow, that's just mind blowing from somebody that got there. Oh, itu pa hope mong community like wow. Okay, Kabao, I'm going to invite you onto the broadcast. Inviting. So for anybody that has not seen the video, I linked it below in my other one. So you guys could by shy hey Shane but maybe they just shy you don't need to. It's so stupid. I just wanted to comment on his video, but I did not because I am a man. Oh, I'm not gonna talk about his forehead because I'm not like him who's going to say people's ugly this and that because I respect that. Your parents created you, and if I'm insulting you that you're ugly, then I'm insulting your parents. I don't want to do that. So, Chen Vang, if you have a problem with me, just call me. Why you gotta make such a fool out of yourself? Like, bây giờ mong vậy vậy à? Vậy ô đồ. Bây giờ mong vậy nó sẽ tha luôn này. Yes, it's that guy. But yes, I encourage you guys, go report his YouTube. Go report it. I'm telling you, go report it. If you don't report it, one day he's gonna be talking about your kids and you're gonna be, hi man. And then I'm gonna be like, nay, guys. My love, you answer me. It's unexpected for me too. Unfortunately, one of our Hmong stars he's a real sad jerk. So, okay. So, whatever it is, I highly encourage you guys to...
Hi!
Hi! So, Milo, I understand you are one of our Miss Hmongs too. So, what do you think about the situation?
Well, I'm like you, I'm against it. It's like, they remember bully, yeah, so we understand. And to get to where we're at as a Miss Hmong, we challenge ourselves and we go for it, even though people they pay and stuff in the community,
Mm-hmm.
So I do feel like what he did is wrong because, like you said, we're all humans,
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
it was pretty tempting. He makes you want to like do something about it,
Mm. Yeah, basically, just because, because size is not just girls, it doesn't mean that we worked any less, to get the title or to get where we are. Thế tụi bé muốn nói bé chỉ bảo kia tiểu, bé ở yên liễu nó nói, bé yên mua đâu, đâu bé được kinh mà, But accomplishing it's one barrier for other people to see that, the girl not only no because of this, and he just need to accept it. That in our Hmong community, we do not have that line of, trời ơi, nãy trong cô tụi nó nè, thôi chị giờ luôn chứ mà chị trong cô tụi nó nè, thôi trời ơi, tụi nó like, come on, that's just ridiculous. And I don't know, it's just surprising to see somebody that, that beside their own movie and should really understand the Hmong community to come out like this.
Yeah.
It's shocking.
Yeah.
But
I know, like when you think about it, it's like he's out there in the community and he bought them, and he bought there, or like he should know the best because you do a movie and you just sign it down, and you shouldn't be judging people like this. It's like we don't choose to look like this. Create us like this. We can't choose to how we look. So it's like, why are we going to go against our look? And why is he choosing look over anything? Like, so what did your movie and it's like your and Taiwan go your on a but then you say call the it's a high loop or koi or they're gonna act better, They're not gonna overact or anything like that. Like, doesn't he think like that too,
Mm-hmm. Correct. So I totally agree with you, and thank you for your opinion, my love, and for encouraging all of our girls. So catch you later. Okay, I'm going to invite one of my other pageant people on here. But yes, I think it's very hurtful, but it just shows us who we should support.
Hello.
So we are on my live, and we're sending some messages to Chen Vang and you as a pageant person in our community, and especially from, I would say, a guy's perspective too. What do you think about what Chen said?
It's really close-minded because it's so dumb. Like, if you were to make a video talking crap about plus-size Miss Mo, at least show your face to the whole world. And for all the plus-size people, don't be discouraged of what he said because he's nobody. You know, everybody is born to this world to be fat, skinny, medium size. Yeah, but you know, God created you like that, and you should embrace your body and don't let people discourage you as a person. And I'm very proud that, you know, plus size people that is running for pageant and they do win the title and make the supposedly beauty pageant, the pretty girls loses. Why is that a problem or an issue in the Hmong community? Because when Lily won her year, it was an issue.
And what do you think about him thinking he qualifies to sit in the front to be one of the judges for a pageant?
To be honest, he did not meet the qualification to be a fucking judge. Like, to be a judge, you have to be really open-minded and you have to be like really nice and know what you're saying and before you're saying it. So basically, if he was a judge, even though like we were talking to one of our friends from here, she was telling us that if we were to do a beauty pageant, the most prettiest one, she always win, even though she's not smart or talented or know how to speak Hmong. Even though she sucked at all of that, she should win automatically because she's pretty. And I told her that that's American people. American people is beauty pageants. Miss Hmong is a Miss Hmong. Like anybody can enter, plus size, pretty, not so pretty, normal looking. It doesn't matter. So she was like, it doesn't matter because she's still pretty. She should win. No, it doesn't work like that. That's what Hmong people need to understand, that Miss Hmong does not mean beauty pageants.
Correct. Yeah, so thank you for your time. Thank you for your opinion. And yes, I think that what he said was very wrong because, you know, you've obviously experienced your discrimination. I've experienced my discrimination. So what do you have to say to everybody who's being discriminated against, like from plus size or even bisexuality?
Don't be discouraged because you know what? We still do more than the title holders.
Well,
and
yeah.
Also,
but I think that even the title holders or anybody, they did like, much more than Chen Vang. So.
It doesn't matter because he's not known anymore. Like he disappeared, and like when I saw him, I was like, "Who the fudge is Chen Vang?" And I had to like really go into like the video to see who the heck this person is. Like he's irrelevant. Like he's not even out there anymore. He's just like, you know, he wants attention now because people don't give him attention anymore. And people like that don't deserve attention, and that's why he don't have attention anymore. So he's seeking attention to attack people so people would go and view his video more. But
yeah,
people that is facing discrimination and beauty pageant, don't feel discouraged because you know what? At the end of the day, you're still doing it for yourself and you're still doing it for your Hmong people.
Correct. So you go right now and you go report his YouTube too. So thank you, Mingo.
Oh no, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna do a video first, and I'm gonna say, you know, những cái video na, cái chỉ có những mò ha, cái dòng bảo lấy trà, ông đây na, biết
He has a gun in his hand, guys.
like, cái chỉ có những mò, like, just like, if you want to make a public video and post it publicly, so the whole universe could see this video, at least show your face, so we know who you are, and like. Don't be scared of hiding behind a microphone, talking all this crap about somebody, and stealing people's photo. Because you know what? In the United States, you could get sued because you stole somebody's photo.
Correct. And if he just did it to my photo, I'm just gonna be like, yeah, I'm getting mad too, but don't do that to Shelly, you know? Seriously.
Yeah, like, and the other photo that he pulled of those skinny girl, they're not even Hmong people. Those are like Hmong Blanc or Laos people or something.
Oh my god. Thank you, Mingo, for coming on. I'll invite somebody else now. Bye. Okay, so I don't know, there's not much to say about it. I'm very disgusted. I'm very grossed out by somebody that would think this way. And I want to invite one of my pageant mommies onto here. Ow. Ayo, Bachitoro. She doesn't have a life. So but yes, I think it's ridiculous. And anybody who wants to, you know, I don't be discouraged about it, but you know, cái tính này agree này chị, cái chị mà cứ delete cái ta xin đó.
Yeah, I think he deleted. He removed it.
Huh?
They removed. Huh?
Really?
Yep.
He did. Well, then he should. Good thing you. Oh, there are your people. The report let me remove. So thank you guys for reporting it. Now report his whole YouTube. Report his whole YouTube. Just because he deleted the video doesn't mean anything. He's gonna go ahead and still keep talking about it, okay? He's living off, like, talking smack on people. Come on, what's wrong with you? Seriously? Ugh. See, like, people like that make my head hurt. Come on, guys. Yeah. Chen Vang, you better be scared of me. That's it. But I'm just kidding. I just think it's funny. It is kind of sad though. So just like that here, we just got to forgive people like that. But you know, couldn't watch the whole video because he just sounded so disgusting. Of course, it is disgusting. It is disgusting. It's demeaning. And then you're like, is he Hmong? Like, come on. He's talking about us. I mean, he's talking about me, but still, that's sad. That's probably why nobody chose him to run any events yet. Gosh. If any of y'all support Chen Vang, may the demons rise from your soul and may the Lord be with you. But that's it, guys. I don't have anything else to say. You guys have a good day. Have a good life. Don't be acting like Chen Vang. Okay? We don't need people like that. I already told you guys we don't need people like that. North Korea might bomb the U.S. territory. Come on, guys. And we gotta talk about Hmong people being fat and cannot join pageants. Ugh. Man. Chen Vang, you need to make like the Sarah, like whatever the app is called, so people could write you messages and your feelings don't be hurt, so you don't have to make so many videos about how you feel. But yeah, my official video will be out later. And we'll see what he says. But if you guys want to share this live and give it to him, go ahead. It's pretty long. I don't think somebody like that watch it, but you know, it's sad. I'm not gonna talk about anybody else because it doesn't involve me. But yeah, have a good life, y'all. If y'all act like Chen Vang, you're gonna get deleted. You're gonna get blocked. And I'm serious about it. So have a good day, everybody. Be nice. Be humble. Bye.